Arrears refer to unpaid or overdue debts or an unfinished duty. Common synonyms include in default, in the red, late, and overdue. It's used for financial management contexts. Cascade refers to a steep, narrow waterfall or anything that falls or rushes forth in quantity. As a verb, it means to flow downward like a waterfall. Synonyms include plunge, rush, and tumble, while antonyms are dribble, drop, trickle, and ooze. Crotchety describes someone who is cranky or ill-tempered, often exhibiting odd whims. Synonyms include grumpy, grouchy, and crabby, while antonyms are sociable, friendly, and agreeable. Impassable describes a situation where passage is completely obstructed, making it impossible for anything to pass through. Synonyms include closed and impenetrable, highlighting its restrictive nature. In contrast, antonyms like unblocked, clear, and open suggest ease of movement and accessibility, emphasizing the difference between barriers and free passage. Manacle refers to a handcuff or anything that chains or confines. As a verb, it means to chain or restrain, similar to fettering. Conversely, antonyms include unchain, set free, emancipate, and release, highlighting the act of liberating from physical or metaphorical restraints. Martial, an adjective, describes a warlike or combative nature, often associated with military life. Synonyms include hostile and bellicose, highlighting aggression. In contrast, antonyms like peace-loving and pacific emphasize a preference for harmony and nonviolence. Partition refers to something that divides, like a wall, or the act of dividing into parts. As a noun, it means a divider or separation. As a verb, it involves dividing or subdividing into parts. Antonyms include joining, combining, consolidating, and merging, highlighting the contrast between separation and unity. Perishable items are those likely to spoil or decay, such as fresh produce. They are short-lived and fleeting, requiring careful storage. In contrast, non-perishable goods are long-lasting, undying, and permanent, making them ideal for long-term storage. Sinister describes something that appears evil or dangerous, often threatening harm. Synonyms include frightening and ominous, while antonyms are cheering, encouraging, reassuring, and benign. It's used in contexts where danger or malevolence is implied, enhancing comprehension of nuanced language. Taut describes something tightly drawn or tense, often neat and in good order. Synonyms include tight, strained, orderly, and shipshape. In contrast, antonyms are loose, slack, drooping, messy, and sloppy. It's used for describing situations or objects that require precision and clarity.